Okay, hi.
Hi,
We're Wild Together Art,
we are Wild Together Art.
and we're getting ready to chop this piece up.
Yes, this piece is the collaborative piece that 17 people worked on,
That includes us.
including us, and we finished it off after everybody else did their thing.
And this is from the GFAA Artist Studio Tour a few weekends ago.
Right.
And we have attendees who were brave enough and willing to contribute to the piece. And then Peter and I, last week, we brought some paint on top. So this is where it stands now. We're going to flip it over and chop it up.
Right. We're going to fold it in half and keep folding it.
All right,
You
here we
ready?
go.
Here we go.